Personality psychology.
Personality psychology is a subfield of psychology that focuses on the study of individual differences in behavior, emotions, and thought patterns that define an individual's personality. It examines the various factors that shape and influence personality, such as genetics, environment, and culture. Personality psychologists study a wide range of topics related to personality, including 1. Traits. Personality traits are the enduring patterns of behavior, emotion, and thought that distinguish one person from another. Personality psychologists study the different types of traits that people possess and how these traits interact with one another to shape an individual's personality. 2. Development. Personality psychologists also study how personality develops over time, starting from childhood through adolescence and adulthood. They investigate how various experiences and factors contribute to the development of an individual's personality. 3. Assessment. Personality psychologists use various methods and tools to assess an individual's personality, such as interviews, questionnaires, and standardized tests. These assessments help psychologists gain insights into an individual's personality traits and patterns of behavior. 4. Applications. Personality psychology has numerous applications in various fields such as healthcare, education, and business. For example, healthcare professionals may use personality assessments to diagnose and treat mental health disorders, while businesses may use personality assessments to hire employees who are a good fit for a specific job. Overall, personality psychology is an important area of study that helps us understand the complex factors that shape an individual's personality and behavior. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychology is a field of psychology that is concerned with the assessment, diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of mental health disorders and emotional problems. Clinical psychologists work with individuals, families, and groups to help them overcome psychological issues that may be impacting their overall well-being and functioning. Clinical psychologists are trained to use a variety of therapeutic techniques, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, psychoanalytic therapy, and humanistic therapy, to help their clients address their emotional and behavioral problems. They also use psychological tests and assessments to evaluate the nature and severity of their clients' mental health conditions. Some of the mental health disorders that clinical psychologists commonly work with include anxiety disorders, mood disorders, personality disorders, eating disorders, and substance abuse disorders. They may also work with individuals who are dealing with life transitions, relationship issues, or other stressors that may be affecting their mental health. Clinical psychologists may work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, mental health clinics, private practice, or academic settings. They may also collaborate with other healthcare professionals, such as psychiatrists, social workers, and counselors, to provide comprehensive care to their clients. Neuropsychology. Neuropsychology is the scientific study of the relationship between the brain and behavior. It involves examining how the brain functions in order to understand how it produces behavior, cognition, and emotion. Neuropsychologists study the nervous system and its role in controlling and influencing mental and physical functions. Neuropsychology involves a multidisciplinary approach, incorporating elements of psychology, neuroscience, and medicine. It focuses on understanding how different parts of the brain work together to create complex behaviors and experiences, such as language, memory, perception, and emotion. Neuropsychologists use a variety of techniques to study brain function, including neuroimaging, such as magnetic resonance imaging, positron emission tomography, and electroencephalography, cognitive tests, and behavioral assessments. They use this information to diagnose and treat neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and traumatic brain injury. Neuropsychology is a rapidly evolving field with many exciting developments. Advances in technology and research have led to new insights into the workings of the brain, and this knowledge is being used to improve our understanding of behavior and to develop new treatments for neurological disorders. Forensic psychology. Forensic psychology is the application of psychological principles and research methods to the legal system. It involves the interface between psychology and the law, and its practitioners work in a variety of settings, including courts, prisons, and law enforcement agencies. Forensic psychologists provide expertise in a wide range of areas, such as criminal profiling. Forensic psychologists may use their knowledge of human behavior to create profiles of criminals and assist law enforcement in identifying and apprehending them. Competency assessments. They may evaluate the mental state of individuals involved in legal proceedings to determine their competence to stand trial, make decisions about their defense, or be sentenced. Risk assessments. They may assess the risk of violence or re-offending among offenders and make recommendations for their management or treatment. Victimology. They may work with victims of crime to provide support, counseling, and assistance in the legal process. Eyewitness testimony. They may study the reliability of eyewitness testimony and help courts to understand the factors that can affect its accuracy. Forensic psychology is an interdisciplinary field that draws on a range of disciplines, including psychology, law, and criminology. It can be applied in a variety of contexts, including criminal investigations, civil litigation, family law, and child protection. Its practitioners may work as consultants, expert witnesses, researchers, or clinicians. Thanks for watching.